Hello friends, welcome on my YouTube channel Networking World. I am Bhimra Gautam. Today I will show you how you can install free EBNG network simulator in your Windows PC. First you have to type in Google EBNG. Then you will see like this interface. You have to click on the download. When you click on download, you will see like this window. You have to scroll down and you have to go free EBNG community edition link, and you have to now click on mega mirror. Now you have to click on the download, then it will be start download, and I have already downloaded this, so I am going to move on my Windows screen which I have downloaded the EBNG. Also I have already extracted this file in the same folder. Now I need VMware workstation to run this EBNG. So first I have to open now I'm going to open VMware workstation so that we can run our EBNG. Now I have to click on open a virtual machine, then I have to select the file here EBNG, and I have to select OBF file, then I have to click on import. Now it's importing and maybe it will take time. It's depend on your computer specification, so you have to patience for this. Okay, it has been done. Now I have to configure EBNG. I have to check the network interface and the memory RAM. I will select here memory, and I will select here the 4 GB according to my computer. Also you can select up to 64 if your computer is capable. Then I will select here the network interface. I am selecting here. Also I have rename for this interface. And also you can check the IP address. Now I have to select here the interface. I will click here, then I will select here the VMware network 2. Then I will click on apply and then OK. Now the physical configuration has been done and I am going to start this EBNG. I have to click on power on this virtual machine. Now it's starting. When you will start, it will see like this interface, and no need to press any key and other things. You have to just wait. Okay, now it's starting. Okay, please wait. Okay, so now it's asking for username, password. I am putting the username. Sorry, it's asking for login. I am putting here the root and then password EBE in a small letter, and when it will ask for the password, you have to just press the ESC escape button, and then again you have to press the escape button, then OK, then escape button, then OK. Then you have to just click on again the escape button, then OK. The again, now it will restart. After next restart, it will not ask for any password configuration. Now it is starting. Now I'm putting the username root and the password EBE, and now you can check here the HTTP semicolon slash slash 192.168.160.128. You have to copy this URL here. I will copy, and this I will put in the Chrome browser and hit enter, and it will provide you like this interface. You have to type username admin, then we have to click on sign in, and now you can save the password here, but I am click on never. And you can check here the EBNG, it has been configured, and you can check all the running services and the status here. And I'm giving you the some information here. You will get the username root and the password EBE in VMware workstation. And after login in the portal, you will have to type the username admin and the password EBE. And if you are first time on my YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe, and share please. Thank you for watching this video.